Former Meghalaya Chief Minister and Congress leader Dr. Mukul Sangma hid out at BJP-led NDA government and NPP-led MDA government for making false promises during elections and questioned if they have opened a good school to learn the art of lying. Sangma made this remark after holding consultation with stakeholders on the party's manifesto for upcoming Lok Sabha election, accusing the Bharatiya Janata Party and the National People's Party of lying the people that the ban on coal mining would be lifted within 6 months in Meghalaya. Sangma said that they should be awarded with an honorary degree of Master of Lies. He also recalled that during the 2018 Assembly election, BJP leaders promised that the coal ban will be lifted within a span of 6 months, and various union ministers, including Rajnath Singh, when they came here, have also made that statement, which has done with the knowledge of Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Consultation involving all the stakeholders from across the nation to draw up the manifesto for the election 2019. And this whole exercise is designed to ensure that while the Indian National Congress approach the citizens of this great nation and seek mandate during 2019 election and make promises, that promises should invariably reflect the aspirations and expectations of the people of this nation, which is again a culmination of aspirations and expectations compiled through exhaustive engagement with all concerned, meaning all the people of this great nation from all walks of life. And in a democracy, whenever there is an election, people always articulate their problems, their grievances, and expect the political party, whoever receives mandate, to address and resolve those concerns and problems in a manner that fulfills the aspirations and expectations of the stakeholders. And therefore, for a political party in the true spirit of democracy, what is important is to do an exhaustive exercise, exhaustive due diligence, to capture all those issues pertaining to the grievances and then also the expectations, aspirations, and reproduce them as part of the promises. Meaning, we promise on behalf of the people in sync with the aspirations and expectations of the people, and after that, we need to ensure effective implementation of those promises that we make during the election. Therefore, the leadership of Indian National Congress has made it abundantly clear to the organization that while we will capture all those issues and appropriately factor them in our party manifesto for 2019 general election, we expect also to receive the mandate of the people.